So there I was in my recliner taking a nap, and the phone rings, and it's my brother from Florida, my brother Greg. He says to me, "Have you read the comments on your latest Norton video?" And I said, "No, I haven't." He said, "Well, you better get up and go look at them because they think you put the second piston in that rear caliper. They say you put that second piston in backwards." And I said, "Oh." And he says, "And I checked it and I think they're right." And I said, "Oh." And I said, "I have to say, they probably are, because I've done other things that folks have caught. I once put the piston in a pressure relief valve in backwards and it was caught." I said, "Yeah, I mean, it's embarrassing, but it sure is helpful because better to catch it now than later, boy." So I'm out here in the garage. I'm out here in the garage right now, and I'm just going to pop the back off that caliper. And if I see a shiny face pointing at me, then that's wonderful. And if I see a hole in the caliper or a hole in the piston, that'd be not so wonderful. So I'm going to publish this. I'm going to publish the double check. I'm going to take this over here closer. I'm going to focus down here, and I'm going to pull that cover right off and take a look at that second piston. Here we go, live and online. I'm gonna have to use a cheater bar. Don't go away. All right, there it goes. I've done worse. Shazam! Oh, sigh, it's in there backwards. Nice catch, guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you very much. I'm not going to pull this caliper on there and flip that sucker around. All right, here we go. How about that? All right, let's get that caliper off. Wait a minute. Nope. Yep. Nope. All right. Folk. Let's see if I can focus down in here. Okay. Let me get the flashlight. Okay, now. There's the inside puck, and it's facing the right way. And there's the outside puck, and it too is facing the right way. Okay. Oh, that makes me feel better. Nope. That's correct. Here's the flat face. There's the oil passage. So the puck is facing in, and that puck is facing in. So, okay. Wow, I feel better. And, okay, I'm going to put it back together. Thank you anyway. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I would have been really upset there. Got my finger in there like that. Got my finger in there like that. Yep. Okay. Whew. Okay, we're in good shape. I'm going to put this back together. All right, let's put the caliper back on. My goodness. Can you see what I'm doing over there? Let's see. Knock the camera over, Frank. Knock the camera over. Might be the day for major screw-ups. That's a 1. That's a 2. Since I've got this hose on here already, I'm going to put this pipe on. Well, maybe I'm not. This is easy to cross thread, by the way. There it goes. Okay, nice and loose. Nice and loose. Okay, everything's together nice and loose. Let's put this back on. Put a little fluid on it. just for the purists out there. Okay. All right, so we're back where we were, and the pistons are in correctly, and I don't feel bad about taking it apart and double checking it at all. I appreciate the commentary. If it had been wrong, I'm not sure what would have happened. That's an interesting question. I don't know what would have happened. Would they have worked? Would they have just not worked that well? Would they have blown out and blew fluid all over the place? I don't know. Anyway, thank you for commenting, and it's on, and I'll do more on this tomorrow. The master cylinder part is still up there hanging there in the breeze, and it still feels sticky, so I'm not going to mess with it until tomorrow. There it is. Let's get over there. There it is, right there. It's still a little tacky, so I'm just going to leave it there. All right, I'll post this just as a way of saying thank you.